Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How Make Carbonated Gatorade Zero Sugar Orange Mandarin Orange. First thing you gotta do is you get scissors and you open up the packet of the Gatorade Zero Sugar Orange mix and you pour it into this mug. Then after that, you pour in the water. After that, last but not least, this can of Mandarin Orange sparkling water and pour it into this mug. Sorry about that. Excuse me for saying that, but it's a mug. Thank you. Just gotta let it settle here. And it's settling. Yum. And a little more. And here it is. Here is the Carbonated Gatorade Zero Sugar Orange Mandarin Orange. Enjoy, folks, and thank you for watching.